Fence installers provide fence installation across 4 counties, from Bedford to Buntingford, St Albans to St Neots, Huntingdon to Harpenden, Letchworth to Luton, Milton Keynes and Cambridge. We take care of every aspect, from supply of materials to installation and removal of your old fence. Customer reviews on Trust a Trader, Rated People and My Builder give fence installers a virtually perfect feedback score over many years. Darren in MK45 call it an outstanding job done and in great time. AD in Cambridge said the fencing looks amazing and was professionally installed and all materials cleaned up around the site. Margaret praised the good-looking new garden fence at excellent value for money. And Leigh in Luton called it a brilliant job by an honest and friendly company. Both our materials and installation prices are always advertised. Call now or use our quick inquiry form or free price calculator.